everybody. I hope you're all doing great. So is your family member? Everybody safe and sound at your home in this pandemic. You know, I'm a teacher by profession and passion. So I just thought of coming up with a series of videos where I can show a couple of, gadgets I thought of purchasing in this pandemic, which will help me in coming up with a more and better efficiency as far as teaching and making videos is concerned. So this is the first of its video in the pipeline. As you can see, I have ordered a router UPS. This is from the brand Resonate. A couple of days ago I purchased it from Amazon. So today I got it delivered. So let's see. Before we start with the actual unboxing, let me show you what all I can see here in this particular packet. So it's given, the brand name is given here, Resonate. It's clearly written, it's router UPS, uninterrupted Wi-Fi, and I'll tell you one thing, guys, it's somewhere written, I'll show you. Yeah, here it is. If you see, it is showing that it's claiming that it will give me a power backup of up to 4 hours. That's not bad. It's pretty much lightweight, and that's what they're claiming. Again, it's intelligent, it supports intelligent charging. I don't know how intelligent it is or how intelligent it will turn out to be. Let's see. So as of now, you are seeing the first part of the video, and after unboxing, from today onwards, I'll be using this particular UPS, and after a couple of days I will shoot the second part of the video, and I'll I combine both the part and I can give you a detailed review. Am I happy with this UPS or not, whether you should go for it or not. So talking about the price aspects, I'm pretty sure it's visible at your end. Yeah, so it's written as 2,900, so near about 3,000, but in the Amazon I bought it in around 2,000, 1,999 if I'm not wrong. And this is how the box looks like. The box really looks compact. The packaging, it's pretty much up to the mark. So I can see a couple of instructions given here, and they have said what all things can be charged with the help of this particular router. So in case of a CCTV, then intercom, set-top box, all this kind of the details they have given here. So let's quickly move into what we have inside the box. So let's quickly open it. All right, okay, so here you go. Talking about the packaging, guys, yes, it is a kind of premium packaging, I can say. So let me just take it out. So all right, so this is my actual UPS. So you can see I've got a branding here, Resonate. The texture is pretty good. It's pretty handy. You can see how I can hold it in my own fist. And they have given the capacity, the input and the output details. I'm pretty sure it's visible. Now it's visible at your end, so you can see the input and the output capacity. And I've got two inlet, one outlet. So this has to be connected. This is my power on and off button. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's visible to you. Is it taking focus? Yeah. So let's see what else I have in my box. So I think it's a couple of documentation I have. Let me just take it. Oh wow. Okay, so these are a couple of documentation. Let's just keep it aside. Maybe some other day I will go through it and I'll tell you what exactly they have. They have a quick 30 seconds installation guidelines, so it's very easy to use, I believe. Yeah, so they've given all the details here. Okay, so these are my cables. So let me see. It looks like. All right, this is one cable. Not bad. Now let's try to connect it with my router. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my router which is connected as of now. So let me just quickly unplug it. Okay, so let me see. 1 minute. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So this is how the input of this looks like. So let me see. I'm connecting it to the output. It is off right now. I don't know how many charge it has already got. And yeah, okay, now let me switch it on. Oh yes, so you can see the power. And yo, bingo, my router is on. As you can see, I don't know, yeah, it's visible in the camera. Yeah, it is. So let me see whether it's coming or not. Let's wait for a moment. Yeah, this has really started working. Superb. So you can see all the connections I'm getting slowly. Oh, lovely. So now what will I do is, let me see if I can connect it with the help of the input. Yeah, and then if I connect it to the power. Yes. Now if you see, the color of this UPS has got changed. Now this is red. That means it is taking the charge. Superb. Well, so far so good. So now what will I do is, I will use this Resonate router UPS maybe for next couple of days, and then I'll give you a detailed review about what about the power backup, should you go for this or not. So see you in the second part of the video. Bye. Hello everyone, so this is the second part of the video. Those who have watched the first part of the video, requesting them to like the video and hit the subscribe button. Share this video with your near and dear ones, so that especially the teaching fraternity, whosoever is looking for a kind of small UPS for their router, this is really beneficial, highly recommended, right? And yeah, so far if I talk about the kind of usage I have done so far is, yes, I have only done one time with the full charge, and after that it's almost 7 to 8 times I have used it for a span of say 15 to 20 minutes each. And trust me, so far the color, I think here you will be getting a color, right? You will be getting a color here. So far whenever I'm switching it on, as you can see here, still it is green. It hasn't changed to say reddish or brownish, giving me an indication that you are running out of battery, you need to charge this up. So far so good. I'm really happy with this. This is really handy, guys, whenever you're traveling somewhere. So yes, this is it, and go for it, guys, especially the teaching fraternity and the people, those who are working from home in this COVID pandemic time. So that's all. That's pretty much about it. Those who have come to my channel for the very first time, requesting them to subscribe my channel, share the video with your near and dear ones, like my video, and yeah, see you soon with the next video soon. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home.